You guys ready to kill this booty workout?
Yes!
All right, guys, welcome to our booty building circuit. It's gonna be 5 workouts. We're gonna do 3 rounds. And for every exercise we do, the only break you get is when I'm explaining the workout. At the end of the 5 workouts, we're gonna get one more break. We're gonna get 1 break, and then we're gonna repeat on 1 more time, take another break, and then repeat them again. You guys ready?
Yes.
Let's go. First workout, we're gonna do glute bridges, and you will need a band for this. If you guys want some bands, buildabooty.com. Trust me, this is gonna make the exercises way more intense. So you're gonna place the band right above your knees. We're gonna do some glute bridges. We're gonna do 20 reps. Let's go. Boom, boom. Make sure you guys are pushing off those heels. The band wants to bring your knees in. You gotta fight it out. When you do that, you're engaging the side of the glutes. You're gonna feel the whole booty burning all the way to 20 reps. Let me check up on the form. All right. You guys see that? The feet are not too close to the butt. They're not too far. Perfect placement. Just pushing off the heels. Keep those knees out all the way to 20. You good? Okay, next exercise. We're gonna do clam shells. So you're gonna keep the band, same placement. So here, what you're gonna do is, you're gonna pretty much be in a seated position, and all you're gonna do is bring your knees out, just like that. You're gonna work the side of the booty with this, all the way to 20 reps. Feel it, feel it. Whew. Oh, I'm feeling it. Michelle, don't tell me you're tired already. 20 reps. Everyone's doing good. Push it, fight that burn. Fight that burn. Trust me, after this whole workout, your booty's gonna be on fire. Okay, now we got, this is the hardest one. For this one, you don't need a band. This is single leg glute bridges. So it's similar to the glute bridge, except you're only doing it with 1 leg. We're gonna do 12 reps on each side. So you're gonna put 1 leg in the air, 1 foot is on the ground. You're gonna push off that heel, and all you're gonna do is you're working the right glute. 12 reps. Woo, you're gonna feel this right away. At 4 or 5 reps, you're gonna wanna stop. Keep going. Want those booty gains? You gotta push yourself. Just like that. Trust me, she's feeling that tension on this side right there. There we go. Lily's doing the left side. She's done, she did 12, now she goes to the other side. There you go. Perfect. All the way to 12. Remember guys, that burn, you wanna feel that burn. When you feel that burn, it's the start of the transformation. Keep it going. Woo. Shells done? Yeah. All right, that's 3 workouts down. Next, we got glute bridge to hip abduction. So you're gonna get the band again. So with this one, you're gonna work every muscle in the booty, the big part, the side. So what you're gonna do here is you're gonna go up as like a regular glute bridge. Once you're up in this position, you're gonna flare your knees out like that. And then you come down, up, flare out. So when you go up, you're working this part. When you flare out, you're working the side. Make sure your hips are up when you go out with your knees. Let's go. All the way to 15 reps. Just 15. Feel that booty. Feel it. You guys got it. Look, it's very important when you flare your knees out, your hips are up like this. Don't let your hips sink when you flare your knees out. Keep them up. There you go. You got it, Michelle. Perfect. You guys are doing good. All right, that was 4 workouts down. Now we got kickbacks. So you're gonna get the band again. This time you're gonna be on your knees. Okay, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna kick back just like that. You're gonna do 15 reps on each leg. Come on, let's go. See where the placement of the band is? Right above the knees. That's where you want it. Working on this side right here. There you go. Come on, Lily. You guys at home, keep pushing, keep pushing. Come on, you're almost there. All right, now we got the other leg. Isolating this side right here. Perfect. All the way to 15. I know you guys feel the burn. Don't stop. Right after this exercise, we're taking a break, so keep it going, keep it going. If you got no band, the band gives it more tension, makes it more intense. But this is the movement. Let's go. Oh yeah. All right, guys, I'm gonna give you guys a 1 minute break. If you need a longer break, pause the video. We're gonna be right here. You guys want some water? Just don't drink too much. Ooh, this feels good. You're gonna get that booty pump.
Period.
If you guys wanna see the pump, take a before picture and then take a picture after the workout. You're gonna see that pump. buildabuoy.com.
Dude, that's intense, going back to back. It's really intense.
Yeah, we got 20 more seconds. Take advantage of this break. Breathe in, breathe out. So all you're gonna feel with this routine is a booty. You got 10 seconds. That's all you feel, huh?
Literally.
Woo. Okay, we got 4 seconds. Let's go. Okay, we're going back to glute bridges. Round 2 and round 3 are gonna be a little bit more intense because I already explained the exercises, so you guys don't get that long of a break no more. It's just straight, one after another. All right, we got 20 glute bridges. 3, 4, 5. You gotta put that number in your head. You gotta make sure you do whatever it takes to get there. Your body's gonna wanna say no, but your mind has to be stronger than your excuses. You gotta believe in yourself. Believe you could do this. Ooh, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Ooh, that burn is crazy. Ooh, I love that burn. Okay, clam shells. Let's go, 20 clam shells. So easy, but it burns so much. Come on, Michelle, give me good reps. Ooh. All right, now we got the single leg glute bridge. If you guys need a break, it's okay, take a longer one. We'll be right here. All right, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. I like to keep my chin tucked in. If you want to bring a pillow, that's fine, you could do that. You want to be like this, that's okay. Let's go. This for sure the hardest one from the whole routine. You might feel the back of your leg. That's completely normal. A little bit of the hamstrings, but the majority of the tension should come through the glutes. Okay. We got glute bridge with hip abduction. Yeah. This is only round 2. Hey, we're almost done. We're already more than halfway done. Let's go. We got this. See, what you don't want to do is like come up here and then bring your knees out and let your hips back. No, you want them up, bring your knees out. That's how you do it. A lot of people are gonna do this. That's not what you want. Keep them out here, down, just like that. Let's go. Come on, guys. Almost there. Oh, you guys done?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I was gonna check up on you guys. Okay, we got kickbacks. One more glute pump before we take a break. Just like that. Kick back. Pretend you're trying to kick a wall behind you with your heels. If you want extra tension, take a little pause right here, like this. Woo, you'll feel that. Look at that. Look at her pausing. If you want to do that for extra tension, go for it. It makes it a little harder. Just like Lily, you could do it like her. That's perfect form. Leg is in line with the body. You don't want to go up too high because then you could damage your lower back like that. This is perfect. Come on, let's go. Let's finish it. Damn. All right. We're gonna take a 1 minute break. You guys are doing good. I'm proud of you guys. If you guys showed up, that's good. A lot of people don't even want to show up, but you guys did. Get some water if you guys want some. It's up to you. Well, yeah, you guys want to make sure you guys get a good stretch on your glutes after this. Some booty stretches. You know, for a lot of you guys that are struggling to stay committed, it comes down to your belief. You know, when you don't believe in yourself, it's hard to stay committed because you don't trust the process. You don't think that what you're doing is gonna make a difference. But if you truly believe in yourself, you're not gonna mind putting in the work because you know as long as you do what you have to do, you're gonna reach your goals. So, believe in yourself. All right, let's get it. Last round.
No, we should have said two. It's okay, it's gonna be worth it.
20 more glute bridges. Dun, dun, dun. All right, this is it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. Feel those booty muscles working with every rep. Let's go. When you feel that pain, just think of where you want to be. That should put you through it. Think of your goals. Nothing's gonna stop you from getting there. The only person that can stop you is yourself. Okay? I don't know why I keep taking the band off. Now we got clam shells. 20. Five more. Woo. Okay, take them off. We got single leg glute bridges. Don't you love it? All these workouts in one spot. 12 on each. Come on. Hang in there, push through those last reps. Push for them. You could do it with your heel on the ground, foot up, or you could do it like this. As long as you're pushing off that heel, all the pressure comes through the heel. Woo! Gotta love it. 2 more. Michelle's looking too ahead. Don't tell me you're done.
My glutes are almost done.
Michelle's glutes are on fire. I hope you guys are too. Okay, we got glute bridges with hip abduction. Let's go. Just 15. Yes. Feel the booty. Feel it. got a manifested growing right now. You guys good? Come on, you guys are almost there. Let's go. Good job, Michelle. All right. If we're going too fast, guys, pause the video until you finish the set and then join us. Okay, last one. We got kickbacks. For extra credit, if you want to do 20 reps. If not, 15 is fine. Let's go. Ooh, I know you feel that booty pump. Damn. Gotta love it. Ooh, you hear that? Lily's doing extra credit. She's going to 20. Let's go, Lily. Woo. Look at her, extra credit. You too, Michelle? Booty pump.
I think the pause hurts so much.
The pause is next level. I'm telling you guys, if you do a pause at the end of every rep for that workout, those glutes are gonna be on fire. Good job. You guys killed it. You guys killed it. Any word of advice?
Keep pushing, do not give up. Once you feel
Hold up.
I said to keep pushing. I know it hurts because I was feeling it a lot, but that burn is what you want to be feeling. So make sure to push through the pain.
She seconds that?
And this is a home workout, so I know you're laying down probably on Instagram and TikTok. You definitely got like 15 minutes of your time, so you can do it.
You guys heard that. Good job, guys. I'll see you guys next week, or maybe later this week. I'm thinking of uploading 2 of these videos a week now. We'll see. But thanks for tuning in, and good job.